You may also transfer charges either to another window within this guest folio or to and from other rooms. To begin a transfer, place an X next to each posting to transfer. Right-click with your mouse to open the cashiering submenu. Highlight Transfer to Window, then select To. This will transfer the charges to Window 2 within this guest folio. A second window creates, and the postings transfer. You may create and use up to 8 windows for each guest. You may also use the drag and drop feature to move transactions between folio windows. Let's have you practice. If a guest in-house would like to have another guest's charges on their folio, you may set up routing. You may also set up window routing for direct bill rooms. To set up routing from a guest folio, select Options and then Routing. Room routing moves charges from one room to another room. Window routing moves charges from one folio window to another folio window within the same guest folio. In this example, we are going to set up window routing. The guest's company is going to be paying for their room and tax. Either confirm or enter the dates the routing is in effect. It may be for the entire stay or for another date range. Click the drop-down arrow next to the name field to attach the company responsible for the charges. The company should already be on the reservation. However, if it is not, you may search for the company profile as learned in the Profiles module. Here we find the company profile we would like to attach. Highlight the profile and select OK. Next, click the drop-down arrow next to the Transaction field to select Transactions for routing. The search area includes 2 checkboxes, Transactions and Routing. Deselect Transactions to view the predefined routing instructions. Place an X next to the room and tax routing group. While highlighting the routing code, the transaction codes associated display along the bottom of the screen. Select Add to use this routing code. The routing code moves to the selected grid on the screen. If you need to add additional codes, you may do so. Once complete, select OK to continue. Verify that the company is in the name field, the correct transactions are present, and the routing is to window 2. Then select OK. The routing instructions now display on the routing screen. Select Close on the routing instructions screen. You will receive a prompt asking if you would like to refresh folios. This will move the transactions currently in window 1 to window 2, which fall under the new routing instructions. Select Close on the Billing Options window to return to the folio. The room and tax charges move to the newly created window 2. Notice that window 2 has the company's name at the top. This lets you know that the company is responsible for the charges in this window. The routing lamp also displays, indicating that routing is in effect for this folio. Let's practice setting up